Hi radio amateurs. I wishes for the word amateur today and whole world is celebrating amateur radio's contribution to the society and I am happy to release a small special edition to check yourself for ASOC General Grade Examination for receiving Morse code only. So it is a time to check you can receive Morse code or not. Good luck. Examiner will always give a 1 minute sample line to you so that you can understand. So ready to receive? Go. Great efforts. Now check what you have written on your paper. Quantum, Quantum, computing, Computing, made, Made, up, Up, of, qubits, 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 is, the, study, Study, of, how, how, use, phenomena, phenomena, in, quantum, quantum, physics, physics, to, create, create, new, ways, ways, of, computing, computing, stop, unlike, a, normal, computer, normal, normal, computer, computer, bit, bit, comma, which, which, can, be, number 0, or, number 1, comma, a, qubit, qubit, can be either of those, THOSE, or a superposition, superposition, of both, number 0 and 1, stop. Now check the condition. If you can receive one line anywhere completely 100% accurately, then you are declared pass. Or point number 2, if you have less than 5 mistakes, then also you are declared pass. Now 5 mistakes and more, you are failed. Only the condition is there for 1 minute continuously you are correct, or you have total less than 5 mistakes or 5 mistakes in all. So let us go next round. This is second round. Examiner will give you 1 minute time before the main actual examination, and you are going to receive this exercise almost as per ASOC examination standard for general grade. So ready? Go. Okay, great efforts in exercise number 2. Now check what you have received. National NATIONAL Supercomputing SUPERCOMPUTING Mission MISSION has HAS announced ANNOUNCED the THE deployment DEPLOYMENT of OF Param PARAM Ganga GANGA Petascale PETASCALE Supercomputer SUPERCOMPUTER at IIT Roorkee. Stop. This new NEW system SYSTEM, designed DESIGNED and commissioned COMMISSIONED by BY the THE CDAC CDAC under the auspices AUS PICES of the NSM, will offer 1.66 petaflops PETAFLOPS. Stop. Now check yourself. Can you receive one complete line accurately without any mistake? If yes, you can pass. If no, now check. You have total less than 5 mistakes in all. In total letters. Then you are declared as a pass, otherwise you are fail. You can try again. Let us go one more last round, round 3. It is a one more practice. Examiner will always give a 1 minute sample line to you so that you can understand. This is also as per ASOC examination standard. So ready to receive? Go. Okay, good efforts by you. So now it is a time to check your receiving. Try, TRAI, has HAS, recommended RECOMMENDED, base BASE, prices PRICES, of all ALL, spectrum SPEC bands BANDS, that THAT, will WILL, be put up for FOR, auction AUCTION, and A near NER 36.36% cut in the base BASE price PRICE for FOR. Number 5, G, bands BANDS, stop. It has also introduced INTRODUCED, introduced a new NEW band BAND 600 megahertz MHz for 5G and kept the base BASE price PRIC the same SAME as 700 MHz stop megahertz. Now check the condition. Have you received any one line completely accurately? Any one line out of 5? Then you are declared pass. If no, then count the number of mistakes. If number of the mistakes are 5 or lesser, again you are disqualified. Again you are qualified. Otherwise, do more practice, you are disqualified. These 3 sample exercises will tell you, are you able to qualify Morse code receiving exam or not. For sending exam, again you have to do practice same way. Take help of your group. Now do sending practice also using Morse key, or it is advisable carry your CPU and Morse key with you in examination center, because examiner has their own professional key. I don't know that key is comfort for you or not. My advice is with you, carry your Morse key and CPU with you and do practice of Morse code sending as well as receiving both. Both are essential, both are required. Have a nice day. Happy hamming. See you on the band. It is my amateur support for amateur radio community. Happy World Amateur Radio Day. See you soon. Bye bye.